Have you ever tried to transfer your funds from crypto to fiat and you notice that you're unable to do so except you've done your KYC? In this video, we're going to be showing you the fast way to do your gateio KYC without any issues. Hello crypto smart investors. Remember, for those of us that will be wondering what is KYC, KYC actually means know your customer. So why is it important? Most times exchanges actually use it as a way to further protect their customers. So it is to the interest of the customer. So the purpose of KYC regulations is to reduce identity theft, which is number one, and to reduce fraud by having businesses collect and verify key data about customers to truly understand who they are. So some of the key data you provide eventually include the means of ID, your full legal name, sometimes your address, as well as sometimes the business that you do. In some exchanges, KYC is mandatory for some users in some particular regions. So KYC authenticates you and your details and adds to the overall security of the crypto exchange. So that is one major thing why KYC is important. So for gateio, you notice that you can actually proceed to do your KYC from different sections of the app. So either you click here or you come to this section of your app, that is the menu section, click it and go ahead to what? Security Center. So in Security Center, you can click on what? Identity verification. So in identity verification, click on what? Personal. If you're an enterprise console, go ahead to click on enterprise. So from here, you can proceed with your KYC, your country or area. So what country are you from? You can quickly type the name of your country. If you are from France, you can type in what? France. It's easy to impute and it imputes it there for you. But since you are actually from Nigeria, we type in what? Nigeria. Okay, so be proud of where your country, be proud of where you are, be proud of who you are. So you now type in your full name. Please enter your full name. So you type in your full name, surname first, then followed by your name. So identity document type. So what means of identification do you have? Here they have three: national ID, passport, driver's license. So if it's passport, your international passport, you can use it. Your national ID, you can use it. Your driver's license, you can use it. So you have identity number. So you can now go ahead to put a unique document number at this point. National ID full face photo. So this is what they expect you to impute eventually. So why I'm saying national ID here is because what we selected by default is national ID. Suppose we select passport. So they give you a sample of what passport looks like, and driver's license, they give you an example of what driver's license looks like. And that is exactly what they are expecting you to do, what? Upload eventually. So you have selfie, driver's license photo. So what you're going to do is you just take a standard A4 paper, write gate.io ID, then you put your gate.io ID there, then while also holding your driver's license. So someone definitely will have to snap you, or you use a tripod and do this. So if there's any other way you can do that, just make sure that you have these two guys showing with your face there. So after you finish that, you just tap on what? Continue, and boom, your KYC will be processed. So it just takes little or no time to do that. I've actually gone through this step once and my KYC was rejected. I'm still gonna do it again because without KYC, there are a whole lot of features that you cannot use on gate.io. Why don't you go ahead to KYC yourself now? Because it is very, very important for your own safety as well as the safety of the crypto exchange. Remember, the essence of KYC is to prevent identity theft and fraud, because someone else probably might want to hack into your account and move your funds. Hope you got value in this video. Remember to smash that subscribe button if you have not done so. If you have any question or anything at all you want us to make a video on as regarding gate.io, drop it in the comment section below. Share and like this video. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.